Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to talk about calculus, the topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. I will multiply by 1 over cosine x squared on numerator and denominator. Now, because we have the power number 2, so we can put this one go inside in here. So that should be like this. This one we have number 1. Now we have the formula in here. This one that is about tan x. This one that is about secant of x squared. Now we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to tan x minus number 1. So later that we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have like this. This one we change for u. Secant of x squared dx we change for du. And now we have the final answer about u, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.